Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dazonn Technology's official YouTube channel. I'm Dazonn. And today, we have an exciting and informative session lined up for you. If you are a business owner looking to dominate the local market, you're in the right place. We are diving deep into the world of local SEO, demystifying the process and providing you with actionable tips to supercharge your business's online presence. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. How to do local SEO for your own business. Segment 1. Understanding the importance of local SEO. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business. But when it comes to attracting local customers, nothing beats the power of local SEO. Studies show that a significant percentage of consumers use search engines to find local businesses. So, if you're not optimizing for local searches, you could be missing out on a goldmine of potential customers. Let's start by understanding why local SEO is a game changer for your business. Local SEO isn't just about ranking higher on search engines. It's about connecting with the people in your community, establishing trust, and ultimately, driving more customers through your doors. Now, let's move on to the first step in mastering local SEO. Segment 2. Optimizing your Google My Business profile. If you haven't claimed and optimized your Google My Business profile, you are leaving money on the table. Your GMB profile is like a digital storefront. It's often the first impression customers have of your business. We'll show you how to optimize every aspect, from your business description to high-quality images that showcase your products or services. If you're finding value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on growing your business. Segment 3. Keyword research for local markets. Choosing the right keywords is the backbone of any successful SEO strategy. But when it comes to local SEO, it's about understanding the unique search terms your local audience is using. We'll explore powerful keyword research tools and techniques to ensure your business pops up when potential customers are searching for your products or services. Stay with us as we uncover the secrets of effective keyword research for local markets. And if you have any questions along the way, feel free to drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewer. Segment 4. Building local citations and backlinks. Citations and backlinks play a pivotal role in telling search engines that your business is a trusted and authoritative source. We'll guide you through the process of building local citations and acquiring high-quality backlinks that can significantly boost your business's credibility and search engine rankings. Stick around to discover the insider tips on building a robust network of citations and backlinks. These are the secret weapons that can set your business apart from the competition. Segment 5. Encouraging customer reviews and engagement. Customer reviews are the digital word of mouth for your business. We'll share strategies on how to encourage positive reviews, effectively manage your online reputation, and leverage social media to engage with your local audience. After all, a satisfied customer is your best marketer. Get ready for some golden nuggets on building a positive online reputation and fostering genuine connections with your customers. Remember, your community is at the heart of your business's success. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on mastering local SEO for your own business. We hope you found value in today's video and are ready to implement these strategies to elevate your business to new heights. If you enjoyed this content, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow business owners, and don't forget to subscribe for more actionable tips. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call or website. Until next time, I'm Dazonn Technologies, signing off. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and remember, your success is just a click away.